Hi, I'm Valerie, and today I want to help you improve your portfolio. What I'm about to share can completely change the way potential clients see you. Recently, I went through my students' portfolios, and one issue stood out more than anything else. It was especially common among beginners who don't have a lot of projects yet. What I kept noticing is that many of them were posting very short animation loops as standalone projects in their portfolios. Let me explain why that's a problem. It's great that you learned how to create a cool text animation, maybe a complex shape motion graphic, or even a polished 20-second logo animation. That's awesome, but you cannot post this kind of projects as they are and just hope for the best. Maybe what you can do is combine a few of those, let's say, text animations you created into one video and present it as a short reel that showcases your text animation skills. You can do the same with logo animation project or any other short animations you have. But here's the thing, even that alone isn't going to position you as a high value motion designer. So today I want to give you a perfect solution. My goal is to create a situation when a potential client lands on your portfolio, I want them to feel confident that they are found the right person for their project. That's in case if you are a freelancer. And the same goes for when you're attaching your portfolio to a CV while applying for a creative role. And before I get into the solution, I do want to mention that this advice is mostly relevant for beginners who don't yet have a real complex projects to show in their portfolios, just like I said in the beginning of the video. So if that sounds like you, pay close attention. To make the best possible first impression with your portfolio, you need to show that you know how to work within a full design system. A system built around one clear visual language. I'll explain what that means in a second, but for now, just understand this. Premium clients love to see full branding packages. It tells them that you understand an entire business and that you are capable of integrating your skills into their visual language, or even building one from scratch all by yourself. Now let's go deeper and see what it actually looks like through a simple example. Let's use this cool text animation loop I teach in one of my courses. Let's say you just learned how to create this and you're proud of it, and now you want to add it to your portfolio. Instead of posting it on its own, you need to find a way to present it as one animated asset from within a full brand design package that has a clear, cohesive visual language. So instead of posting it as it is, you need to create a made-up company that fits the style of the animation. In my case, I go with something like a sweet bubble drink company. Now, I need to think about the ways how I can present this animation in different ways for this company. I can present this loop as an animated element playing in the header of that company's website, but that alone isn't enough. We need to find more useful cases where we can use this animation or animation similar to that for this company. I can also create some opener or a closer based on this animation for social media content featuring real footages. And of course, I can keep going, and sure, the ideas I just shared might not be the most premium executions out there, but that's not the point. What matters most is that you understand the main goal, how with a little effort and creativity you can present yourself as a premium motion designer that understands business and understands a visual language. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Let's say you have a dream client. Maybe your dream is to create visual content for apps or tech companies. In that case, you need to fill your entire portfolio with made-up tech companies and present larger, more ambitious visual assets built around those fictional brand identities. Present 3 animated visual identities like that, and you've automatically positioned yourself as a motion designer who specializes in tech. And that's exactly what will attract the clients you are looking for. Now, with all of that said, I know how difficult it can actually be to sit down and make all of this, especially when you're just starting with After Effects, and more importantly, where you're not sure what animations to create or how to build a visual identity around them. If that's where you're at, I suggest you to check out my online school where I have a clear structured program that teaches you After Effects from scratch in the most engaging way possible. Step by step you will go from simple animations all the way to complex ones and full animated explainer videos. You will also join a community where you can get my personal help 24/7 and you will get a free one-on-one private lesson with me via video call where we can sit down and talk through the bigger picture together. And as a bonus you will get access to more than 90 After Effects project files that I made specifically for you to use and learn from in your future project. On top of that, you will also get a super important ebook I created that covers everything you need to know about the most essential fundamentals of graphic design, like typography, color theory, layout, composition, and many other topics that every motion designer must understand. Basically, all the foundational knowledge you may have missed before you started creating animations with After Effects. If any of that sounds good to you, check the link below in the descriptions. And with that, we have finished this video. Thanks a lot for watching and I see you in the next one.